29 Smoky 3, there's a motorcycle running from 774 northbound from 193.
And 774, can you go ahead the reason for the stop?
Speed 82 in the 60 zone.
Going over the bridge.
Right. Also, we see the vehicle. He's on 529 going over the bridge.
Smoky 3 advice on 529 going over the bridge, 916.
It's good speed on him.
Okay.
65 River, can you advise snowpack for PD?
Right there on the line, 916. Car Smoky 3, advise which bridge they're going over?
Approaching the Weyerhaeuser Bridge Road, speeds of about 135, 140.
And Smoky 3 received, speeds 135, 140.
He's on Broadway passing the 7th.
Now on Broadway passing 7th, 917.
Passing the buildings with the red on it.
Passing the building with the red on it, making a right turn on 12th Street.
Turning right on 12th Street, 774, go ahead.
Just keep me updated.
South on Lombard, now going right on 13.
Matthews Beach, Lemon through 800, I'm making a left 210 northwestbound.
Correction, south on Lombard, and now right on 13th, 917.
And he turns south on Oaks.
Now southbound on Oaks.
Just made a left.
Just made a left eastbound on 15th from Oaks, and he's at an alleyway going south from 15th.
Eastbound on 11th from Oaks, correction 15th from Oaks, and now is in an alley going southbound from 15th, 918.
He's slowed way down.
Okay, I see him come back on the street there.
And he's now at I lost sight of him under the trees.
North.
There he is. Smoky forever. He's pulled into a bright blue house, and the motor's going to take a left right there. It's the third house on the left. There's a boat out front. Blue house. The motorcycle is directly off to your left at that blue house.
Seven seven four receive.
I'm trying to find Oaks. I'm stuck at Rucker and Grant.
614, what a gun point?
614 has one at gunpoint, 919.
They prone out on the ground.
Yeah, he's got him.
6-5. Everett, I'll be out with 614 and Everett PD's here too.
65 with 614 and EPD 920.
6-5, Everett, go ahead and open your...
I think they've got him in custody now.
Okay.
65 advised one in custody.
Good job, fellas.
Nice job, Joe.
Smoky 3, Everett.
Smoky 3.
Just for the CAD, we ran the ARS speed system. Top speed of 147 miles per hour. Total distance of 17.4 miles. And we had eyes on them the whole time. And they definitely did get the correct location.
Smoky 3, 923.